Hi, I'm Craig Harvey, Business Development Director for VS America. Today I'm here with the LiteTable Steel. LiteTable Steel is available in 6 seated heights, 2 floor heights, as well as a bench configuration for a cafe setting. LiteTable is a fully welded steel frame on a wheelbarrow system. It has 2 outriggers to allow you to stack it. As you see, it has nylon glides for when you stack, it will not mar or mark the table. Lastly, it does have a locking caster that can easily be manipulated with 1 foot. To stack, I simply bring the outrigger to the non-outrigger, barely lift, and stack. It stacks 8 high, and it can be moved 2 at a time. For more information, please visit our website.